Hello students, good morning. Hello everybody, how are you all? Hope you are all fine. Okay, students, as you know, we are going through the chapter Playing with Numbers from class 8 Mathematics. In the previous session, we have learned about how to replace alphabets with numerals, and we have solved sums based on addition and subtraction, where we have replaced the alphabets with numbers or numerals. So we have done sums from addition and subtraction only. Today I am going to show you sums related to multiplications and divisions. Here we have to replace the alphabets with numerals. Remember, there is no such rule, no such formula, only the calculation capacity and our application capacity are required here. We have to go for oral calculation and check our answer. So first, here is the question. It is given that AB when multiplied with 3 will give the product as CAB. B at the units place, A at the tens place, and C at the hundreds place. So we have to replace all these A, B and C with numerals. Now first of all, student, tell me which number when multiplied with 3 will give same number at the units place. Just go on for guessing which number when multiplied with 3 will give same number at the unit place. 1 is not the answer because 3 ones are 3. If you put 1 here, it will become 3 here. It is not possible. If you put 2 here, it will give 6 here. Not correct. If you put 3 here, it will become 9. It is also not matching. If you put 4 here, it will become 12. 2 at the unit place. It is also not matching. If you put 5 here, 3 5s are 15. 5 is coming at the unit place. So 5 can be number. Now let us go for checking more numbers. 6. If you put 6 here, 3 6 are 18. Not matching. 3 7, if it's B is 7, then 3 7s are 21. 1 is not matching with 7. 3 8s are 24. If you put 8 here, it will become 4. It is also not matching. These two numbers should be same. Okay, if you put 9 here, 3 9s are 27. If you put 9 here, we are getting 7 at the unit place. So 9 is also not the answer. Therefore, we have got one number only, one digit only, one numeral only, that is 5. Is there any more number? We cannot put 2-digit number. Yes, you are right. 0. 0 is also a number. So if you put 0 here, 3 zeros are 0, it is matching. So first let me try with 0. Okay. So if you put 0 here, then 3 zeros are 0, B is matching. Okay. So now again we are back to same thing. If you multiply the number here with 3, we have to get the same number here. So A into 3 will give such a number whose units place will be A, and the tens place can be any number other than A. Now which number? A into 3 will give A. We have just seen here that either 0 or 5. So we cannot put 0 here, then both the number will become 0 0. It is absurd. Naturally we have to put 5. So if we are putting 5 here, then we are getting 3 5s are 15 here. As I have told that these two should match, and this can be anything other than 5 and 0. So here we are getting 1. Therefore, we are getting the answer. That means our correct answer is A is 5 and B is 0. A is 5, B is equals to 0, and C is 1. This is the answer. Okay, understood? Okay. So let me show you one more sum. Students, one more number. So as you can see, everything is written in alphabets. Nothing is there to write. But we have to replace and we have to satisfy this part, that the product should be B at the unit place, A as the tens place, and B plus 1, whatever is B here, plus 1 will be at the hundreds place. Okay. So suppose if B is 4, then it should be 5 here, plus 1. If B is 5, then it is 6 here. If B is 1, then it will be 1 plus 1, 2 here. Now, let me say one thing. This is A into B, AB multiplied with BA. That is, whatever I have to write here, I have to write in inverse order here. Okay, inverse order. So if I am taking 1 to here, then it will be 2 1. Now guess a number which when multiplied with B will give B at the unit place. Guess any number. So again same thing. Either it will be 0 or it will be 5. Okay, either it will be 0 or it will be 5, because 5 into any number will give 5 at the 5 into any odd number, of course, not any even number. 5 into any odd number will give 5 at the unit place. So I am writing B as 5. Now this can be 1. Okay. So if is that means it becomes 15 and it becomes 51. So let me try with 1 5 and 5 1 whether it is matching or not. If it is not matching, then I have to change this 1 with the next odd number. I have told you this should be an odd number, as it is clear from this that A should be odd number. So I am taking 1. So if A is 1 and B is 5, then 1 into 5 multiplied with 5 into 1. So it is 5 ones are 5, 1 ones are 1, 5 fives are 25, 5 6 are 5 ones are 5 plus 2, 7. 5 6 7. So see here, though all these are taken accordingly, but here I am not getting the same result. I have taken 1 here, so 1 is here also, then this should be 1 also here, this should be 1, but we are getting 6. So this is not correct. Then we have to go for the next odd number after 1. A was taken as 1, the next odd number is 3, so I am taking this as 3. 3 into 5, and this will be 5 into 3. So 3 5s are 15, carry over 1, 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10, 5 5s are 25, balance 2, 5 3s are 15 plus 2, 17. So it is 5, it is 5, it is 8, it is 1. So is it matching? It is matching. But here we are getting a 2-digit number. So this is also not the answer. In fact, this is also not matching. We have taken A as 3. So it should be 3, but we are getting 5. So this is also not matching. We cannot take this. So we have to guess some more number. So we are when we are replacing this B with 0 and 5, the whole condition is not matching. Okay, so leave this B. Now think about A. If we put any number here, suppose we are taking 1. So 1 when multiplied with any number is the number itself. So we can take 1 here. Let us check with 1. Now 1 1 with 2 is 2, 1 with 3 is 3, 1 with 4 is 4. We can take any number. So let me try with 1 2 and 2 1. I am taking 2 because I cannot take 1 1. I have to take different number here. So if 2 ones are 2, 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2. So here we are getting, we have taken A as 1, but here we are getting A as 5. So this is not correct. We cannot take 2 here. Let me check with 3. 3 ones are 3, 1 ones are 1, 3 threes are 9, 3 ones are 3. So it is 3, 0, 3. So it is also not matching. Okay, see here, I have taken A as 1, but here A is coming 0. So we cannot take 3. Let me try with some more number. Let me try B as 5. 1 5 5 1. Students, sorry, this will be C, not A. There was a little bit mistake. This will be C. So let me try A as 1. Let me try with A as 1 and B as 2. Again, let me do it again because there was a mistake I have made. So 2 ones are 2. So 1, 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2. So it is 2, 5, 2. Now see here, all these are matching, but here it is becoming 2, means it is becoming same as this number. But here I have told you it should be 1 more than this number. If it is 2, then it will be 3. I have taken B as 2, so there it will be 3, which is not coming. So this is not correct. Now let me try with 3. 3 ones are 3, 1 ones are 1, 3 threes are 9, 3 ones are 3. Now let us check whether it is matching or not. I have taken A as 1. So if A is 1, then this will be 1, this will be 1. So these two are matching. I have taken B as 3. So this will be 3, this will be, here it will be 3, here it will be 3, and here it will be 3. 3, 3 and 3. These are all matching. Okay. And what about this? This should be 3 plus 1 because B is 3. So it will be 3 plus 1, that is 4. So it is coming here 4. Okay. Therefore, we have got the result. So here it will be 1, 3. This will be 3, 1. Here it will be 3. Here it will be 0. And here it will be 4. 4 can be written as 3 plus 1. Therefore, we have got the answer. So what is A? A is 1. What is B? B is 3. And what is C? C is 0. So we have got the correct answer. Understood? So this is little bit time consuming sums, but as I have told you, formula is not there. Only we have to guess and use our calculation capacity. Okay. So these two are the sums involving product of two numbers. Now let us do one sum from division. 5A 5AB when divided by 6. It gives 54 here, and the quotient is 9, and this is C, first step. Then we will get 3 and B here, so minus 3, 6. We will get the result as 0. We have to find what is A and what is B. Now you can see it is very easy, very easy. As you see the last step, which number minus 6 gives 0? It is 6 only. So it is clear that this will be, B will be 6. So I am writing it again. 5 blank blank, it is 9C to be divided by 6 minus 5 4, here it will be 3, and this will be blank, minus 3 6, the remainder is 0. So as I have told you that since it is producing 0 in the remainder, then B must be 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. So I am writing here 6. Okay, so we have got the value of B. Now, which number minus 4 gives 3? Just think of a number, subtract 4 from that number, the result is 3. Which number? It is very easy. 7 minus 4 is 3. So here it should be 7. 7 minus 4 is 3. This is totally divided. Therefore, we have got 7 at in the place of A. So we have got A and B. And since I have put B here, 6. So 6 will be here. Okay. Just see now the whole answer we have got. So A is 7, B is 6, and 6 multiplied with which number give 36? 6 6 are 36. So here it will be 6. So 6 multiplied will give 36. Okay. Therefore C is also 6. Now let us check whether the whole thing is correct or not. 6 9s are 54. Balance 3 and 6 will come down. 6 6 are 36. Remainder is 0. Okay. So this is the answer. So in this way we can solve the sums involving multiplication, division, as well as addition and subtraction also by guessing and using our computing capacity. So that's all. In the next session I will show you some more interesting sums from this chapter, playing with numbers. Till then, goodbye and have a wonderful day.